What's up, guys? I picked up some lunch from the H-mart deli today. I'll give you a quick flyby. I got a couple things here. This is the Bulgogi, and I think it's spicy pork combo bento box. Has some rice, kimchi. I think that's kind of an egg block, but I'll try it to make sure. We also got Korean fried chicken, I believe. And then I also got an order of the Japchae as well. So let's get it. Starving. Just got off work for lunch. Okay, let's try out with the bento box here. Spicy pork, I think. Looks a little spicy there. Okay, not bad. Got some onions in there. Definitely spicy, but manageable. Not too bad. Maybe spice level of 6. So decent. Not gonna kill you, but has some flavor there. Yeah, not bad. Then get some of this rice here. Okay. Try the bulgogi. Beef bulgogi, I believe. Got some flavor. Salty soy sauce flavor. Not bad. It's a good duo there. Duo of meat. Let's try the egg block here. Oops, it's dripping with sauce here. Very soft, tender. It's like as soft as tofu. Very subtle, not much flavor. Maybe a little bit sweet. Yeah. I think it's kind of steamed egg, maybe egg meatloaf, something like that. Okay. And then you have kimchi. Okay. Say kimchi has not that great. Kind of has a funky aftertaste to it. Yeah. Spicy. I'm not sure about the funky aftertaste. Okay. So, bento box combo, 2 meats, 1, 2, 3, 4 different things in the bento box with rice. Not bad. For unique factor, I'll give it like I'll give it a 7. For flavor, for taste, I'll give it I don't know. I'll give it a 7. It's not the best bulgogi or spicy pork I've ever had. It's decent. It'll fill you up, and it has a decent flavor. So I'll give it a 7. Why not? Next, we'll move on. Let's try the japchae. So you got a lot of stuff in the stir fry japchae here. I think they're basically just vermicelli noodles, stir fried with green onion, white onion. I'm not sure what this is called in English. I think it's a mushroom. I think in Chinese it's called mu or something like that. Has some julienne carrots, some chopped up, I think both red, yellow, and green peppers. I think they're the non-spicy bell peppers. Yeah, so a lot of veggie in here. Let's give it a try. Let's try the mushroom. Yeah, good. Veggie. Not bad. Has some flavor, not overly salty as far as the stir-fry noodles. I think it's stir-fried with maybe not sure, sesame seed oil maybe. Has a little bit of flavor with the noodles. It's vegetarian, no meat, no protein. I think it's about $7 at H-mart. So some good carb if you need it, and it has some various veggies in it as well. Okay. All right, let's move on here. Last thing I got was I saved this for last because it's probably the messiest. I think these are Korean fried chicken. Looks like looks like it has a lot of sauce, very sticky, red. I think they sprinkled some sesame seeds on top of it. But let's give it a taste. No, not much meat. I think this is all bone. Or maybe it's just too crunchy. Okay. Super sweet. Okay. Well, it's crunchy, it's sweet. A little bit spicy, maybe spice factor 5, maybe 4 or 5. Not super spicy. Not much meat on these wings. Yeah, I think these are all skin and dough. Skin and batter, maybe. I'm sure maybe if it has a little bit of ginger flavor too. Okay. Spice is starting to kick in. It's kind of a slow burn aftertaste. Well, this is, yeah, it's got a decent kick. I think spice level probably more like a 6, maybe even a 7 because it's starting to burn now. I mean, I don't think it's gochujang. It doesn't really taste like that, but pretty sweet sauce. Definitely not much meat on these wings. Let me try to get another one. See if I can get a better taste. Messy. Let me get a drumette here. That one's super glazed too. Let's see. Okay. Definitely more meat on that one. Okay. Not the best wings I've ever had. Not sure if they were made today or leftovers, or maybe it's early in the morning and just been sitting out. Chicken's kind of hard. So definitely not tender. The drumettes definitely have more meat than the wings. Not sure. Oh, wow. Okay. So definitely more more meat on the drumettes. Okay. Give it maybe a 7. Definitely not the best Korean fried chicken I ever had. Okay. So 7 for the Korean fried chicken. Japchae, it's alright. I'll give it a 6. And then the combo bento box, I forgot what I said. Maybe a 7. 7. Yeah, maybe 7, 7.5, 7.5 for flavor, and maybe maybe 7.5 for unique factor as well. That's 2 different meats, the egg meatloaf, steamed egg, and then a little bit of kimchi, but the kimchi is kind of funky, so maybe I should take off points for that. But anyways, H-mart deli has a lot of selection. Probably, it is what it is. It's deli food. Okay, but thanks for joining me for lunch. Click on the next video, and I'll see you there.